Before we download and install our new module, let's go ahead and do a little cleanup. We've installed this module and we've made some configuration changes to the contact module that's gotten saved in the database. Let's go ahead and remove all this by disabling the module and then uninstalling it. I'm going to go back to the modules page here. And let's go ahead and scroll to the comment module here and disable it by clicking this. I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom and click Save Configuration. Once that's done, we've disabled the module so it's not impacting our site anymore, but we still have some data saved about it just in case we re-enable the module. Let's go ahead and clean that up by uninstalling the module, and we can do that by clicking on this Uninstall tab in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and click it. We have just one item here because we've only enabled, configured, and disabled a single module, the comment module. And we'll need to check this checkbox here next to the comment module and click Uninstall. We get a confirmation dialog. Let's just go ahead and click Uninstall because we know we really want to do that. And now we're good to go. And as you can see, there's nothing listed here in our uninstall. Okay, I'm going to go back to the list of the modules by clicking on this List tab here. Now that you've seen a couple of modules in action, and you know that we have a list of modules available on this page, let's talk briefly about what modules actually are. So the idea of a module is that it's a pre-packaged set of functionality that you can add to your site to extend what Drupal is capable of. This can take many forms. For example, we just enabled a module that added a contact form that had some functionality for adding categories to it. We're about to install another module that will allow us to build very flexible forms and save the data that's submitted to those forms in a variety of ways. We're going to explore several modules in the future, including one that allows us to create automatically generated path aliases based on, say, a node title. The list goes on and on. There are thousands of modules out there. So a big part of choosing the right module is knowing how to assess a module's quality and what its functionality is. And we'll go over several techniques for determining this as we work through these videos.